for some wintertime Chinook fishing on the bay on today's F24 Experience.
Hotspot flasher is working good. Irish cream tail wagger is ready to rock and roll. Wow, those birds are working a bait ball. Where there's bait, there's salmon.
Babe, you got a fish on! Yeah, you know it.
Sporty.
Winter blackmouth out on the bay. Whoa! Wow, 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 wow. He's taking line. He's taking line there, baby. Can't ask for better weather than this, eh? Wow, is he taking line? Woo-hoo, baby!
Not really, because someone set the drag really tight. Every time.
That's with the what?
The drag.
All right, let's get a look at this big boy. Yeah, we're only in the water for about 5 minutes, eh, babe?
Yeah.
Nice. Here he comes. Oh, that's a pretty fish.
That'd be really
That's
cool.
a nice one right here, baby. Boy, that's a nice blackmouth. Right over here, baby. Into the net. There you go. There you go, right there. Winter blackmouth fishing here at Point Defiance. Woo! Oh, yeah. That's what we're talking about. Sweet. Oh, keep your scales on there. Keep your scales on. Woo, that's a nice blackmouth. It's a beauty. Good night. Put him to sleep.
I don't think we should televise that. One blackmouth in the face and in the box.
It ain't easy being cheesy.
For all of our YouTube friends far and wide, blackmouth are identified as immature Chinook salmon. It is some people's theory that these salmon stay resident in our waters rather than make the trek out to the ocean. We were so cozy at home this morning with our hot coffee on this crisp, cool November morning, but Glenn begged me to brave the elements so we could catch a winter blackmouth. We're glad we came out, we caught the fish, and he's lucky that I reeled it in. To all our friends at GameFishing.com and YouTube, God bless. Thanks for watching and have a great weekend.
Tight lines, everyone!
You always blow my eardrum out when you do that.